Okay, go for it.
Hello, my name is Trace. What's your name?
Can you tell us the names of your trains?
Um,
Can you come over here and introduce your trains to us?
I've got Thomas, Edward, Thomas, Carpenter, and Diesel, and another Diesel, and Wheel, and another Diesel, and another Diesel engine, and the tractor, and Lemon Queen, and Farmer, and the cargo, and a cow, and a barn, and some track, and a crossing, soil crossing, and I need some more track.
What about these engines over here? Can you tell me who these engines are?
I can, but now I need to get some more track.
You're building a track.
No, I'm not building it. I'm just climbing all this stuff so trains can go on. That's it, Dad. There's all my trains.
Which train's your favorite? Can you say bye?